How to enable change your voice in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable change your voice in ChatGPT. Before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of ChatGPT on your device. As an Android user, go to the Google Play Store, or if you are an iPhone user, go to the App Store. Just tap on the ChatGPT right here. Make sure you update it now. After tapping on this very update option, you can simply go to the ChatGPT. Because this is a new feature, you must update your ChatGPT. After going on the ChatGPT option right here, you can see the very headphone. If you see the headphone option, you can simply change your voices. But the thing is, you must have the premium account of ChatGPT. If you do not have, then you can buy the premium account of the ChatGPT. After buying the premium account of ChatGPT, whenever you tap on this very headphone option, you can see this option also, and also an option where you can see change your voice as well. So that's how you can change your voice on the ChatGPT. You can simply get the Plus ChatGPT by tapping on the Get Plus, and now you should subscribe for it and pay this very amount of ChatGPT where you can use many things. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.